Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, we are going to learn lambda functions in Python. Okay, so basically, what is this lambda function? Lambda function is nothing but it's a single line function. Okay, so single line function is nothing but here we'll be writing the function in one single line. Okay, it's known as single line function. Let me explain with an example and with a syntax. So let's start with syntax. Okay, the syntax of this lambda function is, so first we will be writing lambda. So lambda is a keyword. Okay, do remember guys, lambda is a keyword. Lambda and arguments, okay, followed by colon and expression. Okay, this is the syntax we have to follow while using lambda functions. Okay, yeah. So now let's see simple example of the lambda function. Okay, yeah. So first I'll be writing, like I'll be taking single argument. Okay, I'll take add as a variable and lambda the keyword, and here I'll take argument as x. Okay, colon and expression I'll take as x. I will add 10 to this expression to x. Okay, so one more thing guys, here uh, in lambda function we have to use only single, like a single expression, or else we can say a single arguments. Okay, we should not take more than one expression. Okay, let me note here, we have to write only one expression. Okay, we can't use, or we can't write more than one expression. Like if we use more than one expression, like we'll be getting an error. Okay, and it won't be considered as a lambda function. Okay, we have to use only one expression, do remember this. Okay, now let me print this. Just I'll print, just I'll take a variable and I will add a 5 to this, and if I execute this, you guys can see we got 15. Okay, this is a simple example of lambda function. Okay, if you guys want, I can give like multiple arguments to this. Okay, let's take the same. So lambda, okay, I'll take uh, a comma b colon. Now what I will do, I will add this to a comma b. Okay, so a plus b. Okay, now what I will do is just I'll provide values to the variables, 10 comma 20, and if I execute this, you guys can see I got 30. Okay, this is nothing but multiple arguments, like we will be using multiple arguments here. Okay, but the expression is single, we have used only the arguments is 2. Okay, and this lambda function is same as like the regular function. Let me give an example so you guys can understand very well. Let me take a simple example of this regular function. I'll take the same example with the help of regular. Okay, I'll take the same function name and followed by two parameters and colon. Okay, now parameters I have took same, and I will take a same expression. Okay, just what I will do, just I will print this. Okay, and this is a general definition, and I need to call. Without calling it won't be executed, right? Yeah. So, and I'll give values 10 comma 20, and if I execute this, you guys can see 30. Same what we took here, two parameters and one expression, and we took two arguments, the same as the lambda. Okay, this is how the lambda function will be used. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys are understood. If you still have any doubts, please comment below. I will be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.